Hi everyone! Today I'd like to show you how to crochet a headband. You can crochet this headband for any size and take any yarn you want. I'm going to crochet the headband for a girl with a head circumference 51 centimeters. I used one ball of yarn. It's micropolyester. There are 50 grams in 115 meters. I used a crochet hook number 3. Make a slip knot and then crochet chain stitches. The length of chain stitches equals the width of the headband. I recommend to make a chain bigger for 1 or 2 centimeters than your width. The number of stitches should be odd. The width of the headband is 8 centimeters. I am making 19 chain stitches. So I've crocheted 19 chain stitches. Indicate the 18th chain stitch with a marker. And make 3 chain stitches. Then insert your hook into the 5th stitch and make a double crochet. After that, make 1 double crochet in every stitch. There are 18 double crochets and 3 chain stitches in our row. Make 2 chain stitches in the second row. Turn your work around and work a front post double crochet in next stitch. Then we make a back post double crochet. And again make a front post double crochet. And a back post double crochet. Crochet like this till you finish this row. Make a front post double crochet in next stitch. And make a back post double crochet in next stitch. At the end of the row, we made a front post double crochet. And make a half double crochet in the 3rd chain stitch of the previous row. Make 2 chain stitches in the 3rd row, turn your work around, and make a back post double crochet in next stitch. Then we make a front post double crochet. And a back post double crochet in next stitch. Again a front post double crochet in next stitch. Crochet like this till the end of the row. Back post double crochets are over back post double crochets, and front post double crochets are over front post double crochets. We made a back post double crochet at the end of the row. And make a half double crochet in the 2nd chain stitch of the previous row. I crochet the 4th row like the 2nd row. Make 2 chain stitches and turn your work around and make a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet in next stitch. I'm going to crochet like this till I finish this row. At the end of the row, we made a front post double crochet and make a half double crochet in the second chain stitch of the previous row. Crochet the fifth row like the third row, make 2 chain stitches and turn your work around and make a back post double crochet in next stitch and a front post double crochet in next stitch. You should crochet like this till you finish this row. I made a back post double crochet at the end of the row and make a half double crochet in the second chain stitch of the previous row. Even rows are crocheted like the second row. Odd rows are crocheted like the third row. So you'll work like this till you crochet the length of the headband you need. Then you sew both sides together with a needle. It's better to use a double thread. Then tighten up your work. Insert your needle like this. Tighten up your work and wrap a thread end around your headband several times. Our cute headband is ready. You can use some decorations for the headband if you want. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.